Okay, here I am again. It's Craig, White Dove E-Store. We're going over this Agave blue or pastel blue colored MIM Stratocaster. I almost forgot to add that the trim block has been upgraded. I don't know, you're probably not going to be able to see. It now has 5 springs, trim springs instead of 3. We upgraded this to keep this thing in tune as you play. And it does have the whammy bar. I just don't have it on here right now. Setting over there, so it does come with the whammy bar or the tremolo bar, trim bar. So what we're going to do is, I guess we could just play this. Okay, so let me just show you the 5-way switch. Here's it. So let me do this. Notice that there's not any, it's not scratching. That's a volume pop. Put this in the middle. So, just kind of show you that. Oh, there's a jack. I don't know if you can see that. So it's not. Okay, so that's that. Now let me just go into, I'm just going to put a little distortion on it for you and kind of mess around, I believe. Might be a little loud. Okay, so that's that. Now I've got a stomp box on the floor, so I'm just gonna loop something kind of a gospel bluesy sound to it, and I hope you don't mind. I'm just gonna use some effects. I'm trying to show you the versatility of the guitar with just different things that you can do. So you can really do with this thing, that it's just a really awesome guitar. You can play all types of sort of things through it. You can play real rocky stuff like we were just doing. So I just really hope